Welcome to Absolutely Focused Radio Podcast. I'm Daniel Nelson, Thabudd, your sobriety buddy. This is the place where we tackle life's challenges, uncover the truth, and focus on building a brighter, stronger future together. Today's episode is called Breaking Through: The Truth About Alcohol, Sports and Recovery. Let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered if alcohol helps or hurts your game? And I don't just mean on the court or field. I'm talking about life. What if the way you feel after you drink is masking something much bigger? Think of this as a system upgrade for your life. We're clearing out the bugs, boosting performance, and optimizing your inner software for peak efficiency. By the end of this episode, you'll have actionable tips, real stats to keep in your mental playbook, and one of my favorite affirmations from 77 Affirmations for Sobriety to inspire you. Here's something to think about as we dive in. What's one thing in your life that feels harder because of alcohol? Hold on to that question. We'll revisit it later. Let's start with a big myth. Alcohol helps me play better or feel more confident. I used to believe that too. It feels like alcohol gives you a boost, like adding a quick plug into your system. But the truth? It's more like downloading malware. Sure, it might seem fine at first, but it's quietly slowing everything down. Here's the reality. Alcohol slows reaction time by up to 20%. Your brain and body are out of sync. It's like playing a game with lagging Wi-Fi. It impairs coordination. So imagine trying to make a jump shot when your hands and your brains are buffering. And it dehydrates your body, which means you're draining your stamina like a phone stuck on low power mode. Here's a stat for you. Just one night of heavy drinking can reduce endurance performance by 11%. That's like showing up to the game with half your energy bar already deleted. But let's expand beyond sports. Have you ever tried to focus at work after a night of drinking? Alcohol doesn't just impair physical performance. It messes with your ability to think clearly, solve problems, and communicate. Think of alcohol as the glitch in your system that you didn't even see coming. The problem is, those glitches can add up fast. Here's a question for you. Have you ever had a moment where you thought alcohol helped, but later realized it held you back? Share your story with me on social media or in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Now let's dig deeper into how alcohol impacts your body and brain. It's more than just a bad hangover. When you drink, alcohol floods your brain with dopamine, that feel-good chemical. It's like a flashy pop-up ad. It grabs your attention. It doesn't actually give you what you need. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Alcohol is a depressant, which means it slows your brain's ability to process information and make decisions. Think about it as running your system on safe mode. It dehydrates you, pulling water from your muscles and organs. This leaves your body struggling to perform basic functions like stamina and recovery. Alcohol reduces glycerin in your muscles by up to 50%. That's the energy your body needs to power up through workouts or even your daily routine. It can impair your judgment and coordination up to 72 hours after heavy drinking. But this isn't just about sports, it's about life. How does alcohol impact your relationships? Slurred words, emotional swings, or poor decisions create a disconnect. Sobriety clears the clutter, making room for meaningful connections. Here's the exciting part. Your body is designed to heal. It's like a high-tech device. It just needs the right conditions. Within 2 weeks of quitting alcohol, your liver starts regenerating. It's like hitting the reset button on a clogged filter. Your brain begins to rewire itself, balancing dopamine levels naturally. You'll start feeling joy, clarity, and focus again. Athletes who quit alcohol report better stamina, quicker recovery, and sharper focus. But this applies to everything: parenting, building a business, or just showing up for people you love. Sobriety gives you an edge that no drink ever could. Let's talk about how you can get started in your recovery journey. Hydrate like a pro. Swap alcohol for water or electrolyte-rich drinks to replenish your body's reserves. Fuel your recovery. Try the liver-loving salad from my sobriety recipe book. It's like giving your body a nutrient boost to optimize your performance. Daily affirmations. Remind yourself why you're on this journey. Here's one to start with. I am strong, and I choose sobriety every day. Today's a new day, and I embrace it with a clear mind. Remember, recovery isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Before we warm up, let's revisit the question from earlier. What's one thing in your life that feels harder because of alcohol? Now imagine what life could look like without it. Here's an affirmation to take with you. I am capable of achieving great things in sobriety. Each sober day is a gift that I cherish. Thank you for tuning in to the Absolutely Focused Radio podcast. If this episode inspired you, subscribe, leave a review, and share it with somebody who might need this message. Follow me on social media for daily affirmations and tips. And don't forget to check out my book, 77 Affirmations for Sobriety, for more tools to help you on your journey. Until next time, stay focused, stay strong, and remember, your best self is waiting. I'm Daniel Nelson, Thabudd, your sobriety buddy. See you soon.
Rise with the sun. Leave yesterday behind, embracing the new day. A fresh start we find, positivity reign. step we take with open hearts. Our happiness away, spread love and joy. It's the only